So coming into Asia market, I already had my market analysis written out fully in my Discord, and it all played out to a T, crazy enough. So what I was targeting was previous day high, which we did shoot up to, and I said we were going to come down lower after we took previous day high, like fully dropped. That's what I was targeting. That's what I was looking for. And so we were targeting previous day high on some of my evaluations, and as you can see here, we did get stopped out on some accounts. We had a CISD, FVG on the 2-minute time frame. I like to use the 2-minute. So I entered these longs. We got stopped out, chopped out a little bit. I usually do not trade this early into the market, but today I guess I was excited to pass my evaluation for full transparency. And it just kept getting stopped out. So we got stopped out here as well, and so we took a step back. After those two losing trades, we took a step back and we were like, okay, maybe the market's just choppy today. What do we need to see in order for us to come back to previous day high? We needed to sweep this chop right here, this low, and come back into the week's opening gap. Switching over to another account, this is what I wanted to see. We displaced higher. We had a CISD. We had a up close candle above these down close candles. I liked it, so I entered these longs on another account. And then it started chopping around. I guess I had lost some confidence after getting stopped out these two times, and I completely closed that trade out, and it flew straight up to my take profit. That was kind of triggering, so I kind of chilled. I sat back and I was like, well, my original thesis was for us to take previous day high and then come back lower. So on my last account, I had my funded accounts locked out after this. I was not trading my funded accounts. On my last evaluation, I decided to take a shot at these shorts. What did I see? I saw a CISD up here, so I knew we were going to displace lower after taking previous day high, which was my original drawn liquidity that I should have waited for full transparency. And then we displaced lower significantly. Now this move played out. I was going to enter up here, but I did not want to be the first one in the market. Usually when you're the first one in the market, it's likely that you're going to get swept out. So we displaced lower. Now that I saw that we were deep back into the range, I was confident in taking a short position. We had a CISD, we completely closed below these up close candles right here, and we opened up this humongous 2-minute imbalance, also a 1-minute imbalance, which is what I used in order to take my shorts. So once we came back into this 1-minute imbalance, I said, okay, that's my confirmation. I'm going to go ahead and take a shot at these shorts. If we displace out of this 1-minute imbalance, I'm going to assume that the continuation is going to be very, very strong, and we could target this next low, which was my next drawn liquidity. So we came into that 1-minute fair value gap, we wicked out of it, and we started displacing lower. I took my entry, stop was in the fair value gap, and we targeted that leg lower, and we can turn on our executions. We scaled into this trade, so it added up to 2 trades, but we only took 1 trade, and it played out perfectly.